Greetings friends. At the outset, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce to you the thought process that has gone into this sports management program. We have studied what foreign universities do. We have been running this program for over 7 years, and we have also taken inputs from our customers, the industry, where our students go and add value. And we've come out with a program that is pretty robust and is fundamentally based on 4 basic principles. I would like to take you through these 4 basic principles. First is that it's a management program, and like any other management program, it requires certain core subjects that every MBA should learn. These core subjects are finance, marketing, statistics, operations. This is a standard MBA course program that every student is going to go through. Over and above that, most other colleges would have multiple specializations. They would have marketing as a specialization, they would have finance as a specialization, operations, HR, information management. Where we are different, the first point where we are different is that our institute only offers a sports management specialization, which means whoever comes in over here is someone who is extremely passionate about sports as an industry. The second principle on which our program runs is what we will call the building block method. Now, what is a building block? If you want to take a skyscraper to 100 stories, you must have a strong foundation for that skyscraper. Only then can the skyscraper will stand stable. So there are certain basic subjects that are taught in the initial part of every program, and then after that an advanced subject is taught along the same lines. How does this flow? The marketing management is taught in the beginning of the course. Marketing management, keeping marketing management as the core, sports marketing management is introduced a little later, and then after that there are specialized subjects on sports PR, digital marketing in sports, etc. Similarly, we have financial management as a core subject, after which we have sports financial management. We have legal aspects in the initial part of every program, following which there is now a specialist subject called sports law. We have business statistics that leads to sports analytics management. How does this flow? That a student will find it impossible to understand sports analytics unless he has some basics of analytics that is given to him. So the basics are given first, and then after that the advanced subject is taught. However, this advanced subject is totally relevant and linked to the sports industry. The third principle on which we are running this program is that our program is a mix of theory and practical. Now, how do we do this? We do this in multiple ways. First is that each subject will have a mix of examples from industry, case studies that students will go through. Our visiting faculty are actual practitioners. So our faculties for various subjects are faculties who are actually practicing that subject in the sports personalities in our country today. Some of our subjects like sports organization and administration actually have a live tournament associated with the subject, where students will take part and actually organize this tournament. So they're not doing a study project, they're actually organizing a live tournament, and this gets evaluated and is a significant percentage of the evaluation. The fourth pillar is that we use cutting edge technologies like e-learning. Learning for a student does not actually happen in class. It happens when he comes prepared into the class. So there is a pre-reading component that we are insisting on in our sessions going forward. We are also talking about post-session reading, which is where the bulk of the wisdom is absorbed by the student. These are the 4 principles on which our academic program is